When we compare fractions, we want to figure out if a half is bigger than, smaller than, or equal to 3/4. So when we compare fractions, the denominators have to be equal to each other. So we can find the lowest common denominator. In a previous video, we learned how to make equivalent fractions. So we can either rewrite a half or rewrite 3/4. And the easiest denominator to change is to change the half. So what I can do is change the denominator to 4 by multiplying it by 2. And in fractions, what I apply in the denominator, I will apply in the numerator. So 1/2 is equals to 2/4. And when I compare 2/4 with 3/4, I can see in the numerator that 3/4 are more than 2/4. And that means that a half is smaller than 3/4. Now, let's compare 4/7 to 5/9. Are they equal? Or is 4/7 bigger than 5/9? Or is it smaller than 5/9? Now in this example, we need to rewrite both of the denominators. So let's start with 4/7. To find the same denominator, I can simply multiply 7 with 9. So 7 times 9 in a denominator, and I apply the same calculation in a numerator. So that will be equal to 36/63. So 4/7 is equals to 36/63. Now, let's look at 5/9. To find the same denominator, I'll multiply 9 with 7, and I do the same calculation in the numerator. So 5 times 7 is 35, and 9 times 7 is 63. That means that 5/9 is equals to 35/63. And if we compare numerators, we can see that 36 is more than 35. Therefore, 4/7 is bigger than 5/9.